Hello everybody, this is Percy, and if my voice sounds like this, I'm kind of experiencing a cold right now, so yeah, so we're going to be doing something a little bit different today. So we're going to be doing a 2023 NFL football card pack opening. So we got over 400 cards, so let's just go ahead and dive right into this. So first player we got is Broderick Jones, rookie offensive tackle for the Pittsburgh Steelers. If you want to read that, I'll give you a little bit to read that. Alright, so that's our first card. Second card we got is B.J. Ojulari. I'm pretty sure that's how you spell it or say it. He is a linebacker for the Arizona Cardinals. Alright. I'm doing the 2023 because where I live, they haven't released the 2024, if it's even released yet. So. And then now we have Anthony Richardson, quarterback for the Colts. Alright, then we got, we got Brian Branch, a cornerback, but in real life they have him listed as a safety, so yeah. This is Brian Branch, Lions safety / cornerback. I don't really know what they're going to play him this year. I've been watching a little bit of training camp, but haven't really seen yet. So this is Keon White. This is a defensive end for the Patriots. Alright. Then we got Rashawn Johnson, a running back from the Bears. Alright. Then we have Deshaun Johnson. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. He's a defensive end for the Los Angeles Rams. Yeah, if you saw that, it's a spam call. Next we got Chris Rodriguez Jr. He is a running back for the Washington Commanders. Alright, and you can pause the video if you're interested in reading that type of stuff. Next we got Tank Dell, wide receiver for the Houston Texans. Alright, next we got, sorry, just getting comfortable. Next we got Tyler Steen. Excuse me. What's happening? Hold up, let me. Okay, we got an offensive tackle for the Eagles. Next we got Aiden O'Connell, quarterback for the Raiders. Then we have Clayton Tune, another quarterback, but this time on the Arizona Cardinals. Alright. And I think what I've heard is that these type of packs start off as rookies, and then they go through older players and stuff. So, got Evan Hull, running back for the Colts. Alright. Then we got Joey Porter Jr., cornerback for the Steelers. Alright, and then we got Hendon Hooker, quarterback for the Lions. Alright. Then we have Brian Bresee, defensive tackle for the Saints. Alright, then we got Tyler Scott. Adjust the camera a little bit. Wide receiver for the Bears. Then we got Puka Nacua, wide receiver for the Rams. And up next, we got Emmanuel Forbes. Whoa, phone's getting ready to die. Got Emmanuel Forbes, cornerback for Washington Commanders. We got Will Anderson Jr., defensive end for the Texans. Oh, well, they got him listed here as a linebacker, but, well, I would consider him, I guess he's like the left outside linebacker, like an edge rusher, so. Kind of like Khalil Mack or somebody like that. Got DJ Turner, cornerback for the Bengals, yes. Alright. Next up, we got Michael Mayer, tight end for the Raiders. And then we got Michael Wilson, wide receiver for the Cardinals. Here we got Josh Downs, wide receiver for the Colts. We got Keanu Benton, defensive tackle for the Steelers. Let's see, Jack Campbell, linebacker for the Lions, Detroit Lions. We got Isaiah Foskey, linebacker for the Saints. We got Tyreek Stevenson, cornerback for the Bears. Oh, we got Stetson Bennett, IV, quarterback for the Rams. I'm just gonna pick up a few so we can speed this up. Now, I won't be doing all the cards. I'll be making parts for the cards. Openings. So this is just, we're gonna open maybe a few more. So, alright, now we got Paris Johnson Jr., offensive tackle for the Cardinals. Got Cam Akers, running back for the Rams, but I think now he's on the Texans. And yeah, like I said, this is the 2023, so most of these players that were free agents or got traded during the offseason, I'll tell you if I remember or not. Trey Tucker, wide receiver for the Raiders. We got Miles Murphy. It's either linebacker or defensive. Yeah, defensive end for the Bengals. Got Eric Gray. It's a running back for the Giants. We got KJ Henry. He is a defensive end for the Commanders. We get a few more. Let's see, alright. Got Tyree Wilson, defensive end for the Raiders. We got Cedric Tillman, wide receiver for the Browns. We have Jalen Hyatt, wide receiver for the Giants. And I will do a little bit more. Let's see how many I got. I already got picked up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, I have 7 right now. I'll do 10, so I'll do 3 more, then this will be part 1. I got Derek Hall, defensive end for the Seahawks. We got Julius Brents, cornerback for the Colts. Got Jahmyr Gibbs, running back for the Lions. Got Zach Evans, the running back for the Rams. And we got Lou Nichols III. He's a running back for the Packers. Sorry if you didn't get a good look of him right there. Alright, we got Charlie Jones. Is a wide receiver for the Bengals. And we got Jake Haener. Like I said, sorry if I pronounce these names wrong. Quarterback for the Saints. And then, like I said, you know what? I'll do 5 more actually. So 3, 5. Alright, so we got Kendry Miller. Kendra, I don't know how you say it. Running back for the Saints. We got Devin Witherspoon. Cornerback for the Seahawks. Got Sam Laporta, tight end for the Lions. Got Anton Harris, an offensive tackle for the Jags. And the last one is a good rookie. We got Bijan Robinson for the Falcons. He's a running back for the Falcons. Alright, and then now I'm gonna just like pick one from the middle and choose one. Alright, then we got Rashad Bateman. And he's a wide receiver for the Ravens. So that is the card opening video. All these cards that we chose, or we picked up. So this is only part 1. Depends how many, really depends on how many parts I do. But that is it for today. Hope you all enjoyed. And if you like these card openings, tell me if you want basketball, football, and I will try my best to get those pack openings. So this is Percy signing out.